Hi guys, I'm Lavisha from LBB and we are back in GK1N vlog doing a store tour for the store Home4U. Let's go check them out. Home4U has a variety of home decor items and caters to basically everybody's needs. I'm sure you'll be able to find something that is according to your taste here. So they have a lot of neutral items and a lot of statement pieces as well. Their VM is color coordinated and I absolutely love that. You can find a lot of candle holders and photo frames displayed here and vases. So on display here we have a lot of trays and coasters and cutlery holders. These cutlery holders can also be used as pen holders for your desks, and I absolutely love this coaster set that is very colorful and quirky. So let's take a walk around the store and check out their collection of throws and cushion covers. So again, here we have cushions that are very colorful and an amalgamation of different textures and embellishments. Right here we have this embroidered piece that really caught my eye. So let's move on to their dining collection. There is a gold one displayed over here and a lot more options displayed right here. So again, they have a lot of classic sets and quirky ones as well. These can also be shopped individually, which is great. And on top right here we have their bar essentials and their glassware collection, so you know where to shop from for your next cocktail party. So let's take a look at their collection of flowers. So this section of the store just feels a lot like spring, and they have a lot of colors and options available right here. They also have a few candles on display and some of them are scented. So what I really like about the store is that they have a lot of statement pieces, and I absolutely love this face planter. Now we're at the end of our store tour and you know the drill. So like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more such videos. So do drop into our comments and let us know which store you would like us to tour next.